You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all this name correctly, the name from Hebrew, and I believe quite a few people use it from in Spanish-speaking countries as well. So there are different pronunciations. I believe in Hebrew, the pronunciation would be as more as Areli, Areli, Areli. Now, therefore, in English, it's sometimes pronounced as Areli, Areli. But I know another pronunciation that is quite common in English is as Areli as well, or Areli. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know with details in the comments so we can learn from you, and upvote whichever pronunciation you find more interesting or the one you use in the comments. Let us know in the comments so we can learn from you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.